Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you create a group in Roblox without the need of a premium. So let's get right into it. So on your Roblox app, you just have to go ahead on the three dots. And by the way, before we start, I'd have to remind you that you need 100 Robux for this, but you don't need premium for this. So okay, so go over to the three dots here, go over to groups here, and once you are here, you just have to go over and create a group. And in there, you just have to name your group, describe your group if you want, and you have also the option to select an emblem for your group. So you can select an image from your computer like that, and you can also change the privacy settings if anyone can join. Also, if you want manual approval, so this happens when uh, they send you approval request first before they join. So okay guys, that is how you can basically do this, and you just have to pay 100 Robux for this. So thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.